You'll have to do something. What you have to do? You have to do some kind of hard work. You have to show something. You have to make sure that you don't make mistakes related to government or management when it is the sign of Leo. So now let's talk about Leo then. What happens when your Saturn is retrograde in the sign of Leo? This is not good, since it is the sign of Surya, which is Sun. And now you have got this position of retro Saturn. Problem here is it's not profession. You will get the profession and you might get a government job as well. That's okay. If you have certain combinations, you will get it. Now the problem is getting the position, getting the chair. Because again, since it's a retro planet, you have to go for 300% more efforts. You will also have delays, problems from the government and all that. There could be a high possibility that, let's say, today they announce, okay, you're going to get this promotion, you're going to get this position. But then the management will say, okay, we have changed our decision. Now you are not getting the promotion or the position, this person is getting it. Now, since it is sign of Leo, the management, the government, the people from the higher authority. So there is a high possibility that the management will keep an eye on you in your workplace. They will monitor you. They will make sure that whatever you are doing, they are having an eye to it. It is possible that it's the sign of Leo. You might not get proper seat or place in the workplace. You'll have to adjust, or you will not get the desired seat in the office. You'll have to, they will say, okay, this is where you have to sit, this is from where you have to work, and there is no option around it. Work from here. Now sometimes if you also have support from other planets, it also shows the union leaders who work for the common people who are fighting with the government, because Leo Sun represent government. Now Saturn is here, Saturn is retro here, so with full power he's fighting with the government, or he's fighting with the seniors. Because of what? Because of the team members, because of the common people, because of the people below him. That's what the Saturn is doing in the sign of Leo, especially when it is retro. Now if you see, Leo sign is sign which comes in the 5th house. It's the natural 5th house. So again, you have to do a lot of hard work related to education. And there is a high possibility that there would be some challenges from the teachers or the authority of the school or college. They might, give you fines. They will again keep an eye on you, or some kind of problem from the teachers or any other management person. Now, how we can forget about the Saturn and Sun thing? Since it is sign of Sun, and we are talking about retro Saturn here, so there will be some kind of dispute. There could be some kind of dispute between father and son. Now, it doesn't mean that the relationship will completely cut off. The relationship will be there. But this dispute will again and again come and go. Today we had a dispute, tomorrow it's fine for 1 month, and then again we are having again same conflict on the same topic. 5th house also represent your stomach, so you might have issues related to your stomach. Your digestion process is slow, or any problem related to stomach is possible. Now let's say this Saturn retro in the sign of Leo also makes a connection with the ninth house. Now you already had a problem in getting the right promotions, appraisals, but since now it is the ninth house again, this becomes a more of a problem. Getting the promotions on the right time, problems from the bosses, senior management, especially related to the promotion, increment, or getting the position. Now, if it is the ninth house also represent your father. So now the chances of having conflicts with the father will increase. Now there are very high chances if it's Leo sign, it's the house, ninth house, Saturn retro. This chances of having conflicts or difference of thoughts with father becomes higher. Because now what person is saying is, the person is saying, okay, give me the equal respect, give me the authority at home, right? And because of which the native will have issues. Now till the age of 36, 36 is the natural age for Saturn. Till the age of 36, the person will have issues related to acceptance in the group. People will not accept the person. They will say, you don't belong with us, you don't belong to this group. So that becomes again a issue. Now let's talk about the sign of Virgo. If Saturn is retrograde in the sign of Virgo, what will happen? Sixth